In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Figma and Design 10x faster. We're going to speed up your design workflow by leveraging ready-made resources and bringing them straight into Figma for rapid customization. Start by opening the Framer website in your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Community section in the navigation and click it. The community is a curated space where creators share complete projects, UI kits, landing pages, and component libraries you can learn from and adapt to your needs. Inside Community, head to the search bar and type the word Design. This will surface a wide range of templates and project files, dashboards, marketing sites, mobile app screens, and more. Take a moment to browse the results. Open a few that catch your eye so you can get a feel for the overall style and the level of polish. Look at how the pages are organized, how components are named, and whether auto layout and consistent spacing are used. Choosing a solid foundation here will save you hours later. When you find a template that matches your project or design language, click into it to view its details. Then select the option to open it in Figma by clicking Open to Figma. This will send the file over and create a copy you can work with directly in your Figma workspace. From here, you can move fast because the heavy lifting, layout, structure, and common components has already been done. Once the file is in Figma, feel free to customize everything. Swap in your brand colors by updating color styles, adjust typography to your chosen type scale, and replace imagery and icons with your assets. Edit components instead of detaching them whenever possible so changes cascade across the entire file. If the template includes variants, use them to switch states quickly rather than rebuilding elements from scratch. Tweak auto layout padding and spacing to match your rhythm, and rename pages and frames so your file stays clean and easy to navigate. For faster global updates, consolidate recurring elements into main components and use styles or variables to manage colors and spacing consistently. As you iterate, lean on the template structure to move faster. Duplicate patterns you like, remove sections you don't need, and reorganize the layout to match your content. This approach lets you focus on solving design problems instead of reinventing basic blocks, which is exactly how you unlock that 10x speed up. That's all you need. Open Framer, go to Community, search Design, pick a template, open it in Figma, and customize it to make it yours.